Watch how I fix the tires and wheels of a car and make them good as new. Check it out. First, after removing the wheel studs for snowy terrain, I'll replace them with new ones. To fix the hole the key caused, I'll use a tire repair kit. I'll start by smoothing the tire's hole, then washing the tire with water. Next, I'll apply some repair solution before patching the hole up. Now, I'm making sure the mushroom plug bonds with the tire properly. I'll grind off all the rust from this drum brake. I spin the drum brake to make the grinding process faster. After cleaning the drum brake, I'll give it a paint job. Another way of fixing tire puncture holes is by using tire plugs. I'll just push the plug into the hole. Then cut off the excess plug. Here's a quick way to paint a car rim without removing its tires. The cards work as a shield, preventing paint sprays on the tire. Now, I'm fixing another tire with a hole in it. I'll use a different tire repair patch this time. After sanding and washing the area around the hole, I'll clean it and apply some adhesive. Next, I'll use this patch to seal the hole. I'm sanding a car rim to remove the dirt solidified on its edges. I'll spray some water on it and wipe it clean. Now, I'll wrap the car rim with vinyl, using an air heat gun to set the vinyl wrap on the rim. Once the vinyl is set, I'll cut it out based on the rim's shape. Now, I'll repair a tear on the tire using some rubber fixing. After sanding the area with the tear and washing it, I'll apply some adhesive. Next, I'll apply the rubber fixing. For more awesome videos like this, just follow me here at Crafty Panda.